2018 Hyundai Accent. 2018 Hyundai Accent review on. Smart, sensible and stylish, the Accent offers a little bit of everything for everyone. Freshly overhauled, the 2018 Hyundai Accent sedan is roomier, safer and more fuel efficient than before. That's the good news. The bad news? The versatile hatchback is gone, a victim of Americans' lack of interest. The sedan is good enough to make you forget, though. It's a sensible and stylish choice. For 2018, Hyundai made the Accent a little longer and wider. The interior is now a bit roomier, with more front and rear legroom and more space between the driver and front passenger. Cargo space hasn't changed but remains among the best in the class. The Accent's updated 4-cylinder engine makes less maximum power, 7 horsepower less, but Hyundai says it makes more usable low-end torque and yields better fuel economy. With an automatic transmission, the Accent returns a very good 32 miles per gallon in combined city-highway driving. This is a handsome car that will endure the daily grind with minimal fuss. Passenger space is generous and promises to be even better with the 2018 model's roomier size. It should be one of the quicker cars in its class, which you'll appreciate with every merge into freeway traffic. What's more, the Accent is surprisingly quiet and comfortable on the road. Even people with longer commutes won't regret choosing this Accent over a larger, more expensive car. Although today's new cars and SUVs are getting bigger every year, there's still a place for a smartly packaged small car that can perform tricks like its larger brethren. The 2018 Hyundai Accent is a top choice in this category thanks to a satisfying combination of performance, utility, comfort and style. What's new? The 2018 Hyundai Accent is all new. It rides atop a new chassis that is a half-inch longer than before, yielding slightly more interior space and passenger room. Increased use of high-strength steel in the frame and the body promises improved handling dynamics, and the revised 4-cylinder engine delivers better fuel economy. A new front-end design integrates the Accent's look with that of Hyundai's other cars, and the Accent now offers more convenience, tech and modern safety features. While much of the appeal of the Accent is affordability, we think the jump from the base A to the Cell both automatic transmission is worth it even if the price increase is significant. For the extra money, the Cell offers upgrades such as alloy wheels, rear disc brakes, automatic headlights, and smartphone integration. You'll appreciate having these features over the long term. Trim levels and features. The 2018 Hyundai Accent is a 4-door sedan that straddles the line between subcompact and compact. It's offered in base A, Cell and limited trim levels. The C covers the basics, while the Cell adds more style, alloy wheels and functionality, 7-inch touchscreen, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Limited trims add conveniences including a sunroof, heated front seats and advanced safety features. All Accent models use a 1.6-liter 4-cylinder engine, 130 horsepower, 119 pound-feet of torque and either a 6-speed manual or automatic transmission. The Accent is front-wheel drive. The C sedan comes standard with a 6-speed manual transmission, 15-inch steel wheels, air conditioning, power accessories, a tilt-adjustable steering wheel, cruise control, a 60/40 split folding rear seat, Bluetooth, a rear-view camera, a 5-inch touchscreen display, and a 4-speaker sound system with a CD and USB auxiliary inputs. The 6-speed automatic transmission is optional. The Cell adds 15-inch alloy wheels, rear disc brakes, automatic headlights, heated side mirrors, a tilt and telescoping steering wheel, a center console storage box with a sliding armrest console, dual USB charging ports, Bluetooth with voice commands, a 7-inch touchscreen display, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto smartphone integration, and an upgraded 6-speaker sound system. Moving up to the limited brings 17-inch wheels, fog lights, projector beam headlights with LED accents, side mirror integrated turn signals, a sunroof, a hands-free trunk, keyless entry, push-button start, automatic climate control, heated front seats, a leather-wrapped steering wheel and shift knob, and a 3-year subscription to Hyundai Blue Link connected services. It includes features such as app-based remote start and locking and unlocking, vehicle diagnostics, and emergency collision notification. The Limited also features forward collision warning and automatic emergency braking, which aren't available on the 2 lower trims. Trim tested. Has not yet driven any version of the redesigned Accent, but based on our experience with previous generations, the following is our first take on what's significant about it and what you can expect. Driving. The previous Accent wasn't the most nimble or best braking car in its class, although it was surprisingly quick. For 2018, expect similar acceleration but with a sturdier, firmer chassis providing improved handling. The automatic transmission should be responsive. Comfort. A smooth ride and impressively quiet cabin should make the Accent one of the more comfortable cars in the subcompact class. For 2018, the Accent is redesigned inside and out, and the interior updates promise improved seat comfort and passenger room. Interior. Even for a small, economy-minded car, the previous Accent offered excellent ergonomics, above-average space, and reasonably easy access for getting in and out. For 2018, expanded cabin dimensions promise even more passenger room and comfort. Utility. The earlier Accent's rear seats didn't fold completely flat, and they don't in the 2018 models. This bump creates 2 cargo floors and reduces versatility, but we don't think it should be a deal breaker. The overall cargo space is above average. Technology. The 2018 model offers standard Bluetooth and smartphone integration. Cell and Limited models offer Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, 7-inch touchscreen displays, dual USB charge ports, even connected telematics services. These are marked improvements over earlier models.